Good morning, Carl. Not just a lot of stock, but in fact, record amounts. New data from InsiderScore shows that CEOs and insiders have unloaded $69 billion in stock so far this year. That's up 28% over last year's total and 80% over the 10-year average. We're going to see even more sales in December since that tends to be a big month for tax selling. A lot of this is being driven by what I call the super sellers. Elon Musk now up to about $10 billion in sales this year, about half of that going to those options-related taxes, the other half just for straight cash. Now, Bezos also at about $10 billion for the year. That's actually flat with last year, but 5 times his 2019 sales. And the Waltons of Walmart, also big sellers at about $6 billion, followed by Mark Zuckerberg. Those 4 sellers alone accounting for nearly 40% of this year's total. Satya Nadella, the latest to make headlines, he sold half of his Microsoft shares last week for a total of $285 million. In a statement, the company saying the sales were for, quote, personal financial planning and diversification purposes. But another unsaid reason for all of this selling is taxes. Along with the threat of higher federal taxes, Washington state is about to impose a new 7% tax on capital gains. That starts January 1st. Nadella saves $20 million in taxes by selling now. Jeff Bezos saving $700 million. So, Carl, we're going to see whether the Gateses or Bomber, some other people who live in Washington who are wealthy, are going to do a little holiday trimming in December as well.
Yeah. Plus Christmas shopping, right, Robert? I mean, with inflation and everything, they got to have a little extra change.
That's right. And they
need
the cash.
A lot of money. Robert, Frank, thank you.